Hey guys, it's Allison. So today I'm going to do a skincare routine, and right now we're in the bathroom, so I'm going to show you all the products that I use for my skincare. And also, this is not like an everyday thing because I do not wear makeup every day. It's usually when I just wear makeup because it's like to get all the dirt off my face. Usually I just wash my face with water and all that stuff like on a daily. So yeah, this is when I have makeup on. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below any videos you want me to do next. Subscribe down below if you're new to my channel, and turn on post notifications to get an update every time I post a new video. And yeah, so keep on watching. So first I'm just gonna tie my hair back because my hair needs to be out of my face so I could see, so I could take out everything. So I'm just gonna put that. So first I use my Neutrogena makeup remover cleansing towelettes. And okay, usually I have a big pack. I don't know where my big pack is right now. I think I use them all. So right now I have these like little travel size ones, which they're like really good. You should get these so you could just throw them in your bag whenever you want to take off your makeup. You could take off your makeup. Not sponsored, sponsor me, thanks. But yeah, these are just really good. Love them. And then I'm gonna clean off my makeup. I love these. Been using them ever since I started to wear makeup. Love them so much, and it takes out almost everything if you get in the deep crevices and stuff like that. So this is usually what's on my makeup remover. Why I could just keep going, but there's more steps to this that will take off my makeup further, so I'm just gonna throw this out. So next is my Garnier Micellar cleansing water. This is really good. This removes all your makeup over your face, your lips, your eyes, anything on your face, and to clean off all the makeup off. So I'm just going to use that, and then I'm going to just use a cotton round. I'm just going to shake it. I'm going to go over my eyes because of all the leftover mascara, because it's easier to take off the mascara with this, and then anything else I'm just gonna go over my face with this oil. As you can see, it's like really dirty. Okay, so next we're gonna use the Purity Philosophy One-Step Facial Cleanser. Massage my face with this. Make sure you don't get this in your eye. So I'm just gonna rinse this off and then get back to you guys. So I rinsed it out with warm water, then I rinsed my face with cold water afterwards to, you know, close all my pores. Now as you can see, I have makeup left over under my eyes, so I'm just gonna clean them with a Q-tip. That's what I usually do. And go over my lashes with them to make sure everything's off. Next step, I'm like wet. Okay, so next step is my Clean and Clear Essentials Deep Cleansing Toner. So this has salicylic acid acne medication, so it will just clean out the rest of the dirt that's on my face too. For your face. Make sure you don't get this in your eyes because then it'll burn too. As you can see, there's like some leftover residue, but everything's pretty much off. I'm just gonna rub out long hairline and everything. So, as you can see, there's still leftover. Love this. Afterwards, I would use a mask. So the other day I actually did a nose strip, so I'm not going to do that right now. But I'm going to show you the nose strip that I use. And it's this one. I usually get this like in like a cheap store. So it's a deep cleansing charcoal nose strip. They're really good though. I have this one and the regular one. And then usually I use my Biore pore strips. So, but I don't have any more of those. So yeah, that's what I use for nose strips. And then for like a mask that I'm not gonna do right now either, because like usually I just put it around my nose too and stuff like that, is a Boscia luminizing, I don't know if I'm saying it right, black mask. Love this stuff. Since we're skipping that step, we're gonna move on to like the stuff that goes on my face for my acne and stuff like that. So I really love Noxzema. This is my holy grail. When I used to have like spots on my face and like dark marks, they all went away because of this. Not sponsored either. But I love this stuff. And also I have like the wipes. So that's kind of like a toner slash like for like this kind, but just like a wet kind. So it just looks like this. Well, my roommate from last year already was on it when we met. I gave this to my sister. I think it really worked for her. And like, I think, yeah, I recommended it to my best friend, so she's using that now. So it's like really good all around. So you could use it as a cleanser. That's what I'm going to use for now, because I usually just keep this overnight on my face. But that would just give you the best results in my opinion. But I'm going to use this as a cleanser. So I'm just going to wipe this on my face. And usually if I just have like a little spot, I would just use this. And it's I don't know where I got this from. I think my mom got this for me. It's their Essence Blemish Touch Stick. So this has tea tree oil in it, so you would just put on a spot. Tea tree oil is really good for acne, so that's where you put on your spots and they'll just go away. But since I'm using this today, I'm just gonna work with this and cleanse my face with it. So we're just gonna wash my face off. My sister usually leaves this on in the morning for like 5 to 10 minutes, and then she washes it off. So then afterwards, the last step, finally, is going to put... So finally, the last step is to put cream on to make sure everything's moisturized, not dry at all. You've seen this cream if you watch my other videos. When I put on my makeup, I usually put on this cream, and it's the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. This is the best. Whenever I'm finished with this one, I am definitely gonna get the bigger one. But yeah, my brother put me on this, so thanks, bro. And then put the rest on my neck. So that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I am very soaking wet, as you can see, but I hope you guys enjoy the video and got some tips from me, or like if you're gonna use any of these products, or if you use any of these products, comment down below. Comment down below your skincare too, because I really want to know. I really want to use new products to see what is out there and everything like that. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.